A person who is there when you need her, someone who will catch you when you fall, a shoulder to cry on, someone to laugh with. Most importantly, a sister is always a friend. She knows your thoughts without a word, understand your feelings before they are heard. National Sister Day is a celebration of appreciation for sisters and their special bond. Whether your sister is biological or not, sisterhood, Sisters' Day is celebrated the first Sunday of every August. There's no particular way to celebrate National Sisters' Day except for letting your sisters know she is loved. It is a great time to celebrate your relationship with your sister or sisters. If you live with or close to your sister, plan a day filled with fun and memorable activities. If you and your sister live in different cities, give her a call to let her know how happy you are that she in your life. Sister Day is a great opportunity to make her feel loved and appreciated. Here we share some ideas जो आपको सिस्टर्स डे स्पेशल बनाने में काफ़ी हेल्प करेंगे. Let's start. First idea is coordinate with your sister. Sister Day is the perfect time to be a little goofy with your sisters. Wear matching outfits or purchase silly hats for the both of you to wear. When you go out in public, this is a great way to have a memorable Sisters' Day and to show off your unique relationship with your sisters. Then second idea is to do a special activity. If you want to enjoy this day and make it memorable, to make a plan with your loving sister. Go out and enjoy yourself. You can plan some activities like going out to eat, going to movie, planning for a picnic, old places. आप बचपन में जहाँ जाते थे, छोटी छोटी बातें जो आपको ओल्ड मेमोरीज को ताज़ा कर देती हैं. याद आता है अक्सर वो गुजारा ज़माना जब हम साथ होते हैं. वो लॉन्ग ड्राइव, कॉलेज टाइम की बातें शेयर करना, थोड़ी थोड़ी बातों पे लड़ाई करना. बट भाई बहनों का प्यार ऐसा होता है, चाहे कितनी भी लड़ाई हो, प्यार कभी कम नहीं होता है. ट्राई टू सेलिब्रेट योर सिस्टरहुड एंड योर यूनिक रिलेशनशिप विदाउट ब्रिंगिंग अप past arguments. Then third one is be nostalgic. Sisters Day is a great time to remember the past day you have shared together. Talk about your favorite childhood memories with your sisters. You can even whip out a photo album or old family videos for a fun and meaningful trip down memory lane. सिस्टर्स डे अ परफेक्ट डे है खुद के लिए टाइम निकालने का, फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने का. देन फोर्थ वन इज गो फॉर शॉपिंग. Sister Day celebrate on first Sunday of August, so there is no time issues because on Sunday everybody are free from their busy life schedule. I have one great idea. If you want to make this day too memorable, go shopping with your sisters because we all know girls are very interested in shopping. Go shopping malls with your sister. Enjoy this day. Heart to heart conversations, games and food. Then next idea is host a surprise party. Surprise party at your terrace with all the close buddies and sisters is one of the best idea to celebrate Sisters Day. Call up each one of them and make arrangement either at your garden, lawns and terrace and have fun. Then next idea is surprise gifts. A surprise gift is always the best way to make someone feel special. So gather all her favorite things and give her. I have a best idea. You can give her a makeup kit. Girls always like it. Nowadays picture albums बहुत ट्रेंड में है. आप उनका कोलाज बनाकर उन्हें गिफ्ट दे सकते हैं. उनकी ओल्ड पिक्चर्स जो रैंडम ली गई पिक्चर्स हैं, ये बहुत इस डे को मेमोरेबल बना सकते हैं. आजकल ट्रेंड में पर्सनलाइज्ड मग कप का भी बहुत ट्रेंड है. These are very amazing. So there are ideas which help you to make this date so memorable. आई होप आपको ये आइडियाज़ अच्छे लगे हों. सो आप ट्राई कीजिएगा ऑन दिस स्पेशल डे 1 अगस्त. हैप्पी सिस्टर्स डे. और इस डे को बहुत मेमोरेबल बना सकते हैं अपने सिस्टर्स के साथ. ओ बहना मेरी तू हंसती रहे, तेरी आँख घड़ी भर नम ना हो, तू जान मेरी अरमान मेरी, तेरी लाड दुलारी कम ना हो. ओ बहना मेरी तू मेरा जहाँ, तुझे देखे बिना मुझे चैन कहाँ. एक डोर जो बांधी है रब ने, ऐसा बंधन कहीं और कहाँ. हैप्पी सिस्टर्स डे.